Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up and run VideoSDK's Flutter example. This example includes an extensive README containing all the different features and a brief guide on how to set up and run the example. The setup for this project includes signing up on VideoSDK's dashboard and familiarizing yourself with a few concepts like API keys and token. The prerequisites for this project include Flutter version 2.0 or later, Dart version 3.3 or later, and a valid VideoSDK account. So without further ado, let's get into running the sample app. The first step is to clone the repository. For that, we'll just copy the command given here and paste it onto our terminal. Once the repository has been cloned, the next step is to create a .env file. For that, we'll go to our code editor, copy the command given here, and paste it onto our terminal. Once our env file is in place, the next step is to modify it, for which we'll require a VideoSDK token. From here on, you have two different options to generate a token. You can use a temporary token from VideoSDK's dashboard, or you can set up an authentication server to generate a token. We at VideoSDK believe that for production environments, you must set up an authentication server and generate a new token every time. But for the sake of this example, we'll just use one from the VideoSDK dashboard. For that, we'll go to the API keys section, under which we'll find a generate token action. We can choose a time of expiry and we have our token. We can then take this token and paste it here in our .env file. Once the env file has been modified, the next step is to install the dependencies, for which we'll just do flutter pub-get. The fifth step is only applicable if you want to run the application in iOS or macOS devices. For that, you need to move to either the macOS or iOS folder and install the pods using pod install. Similarly, for macOS, you need to move on to the macOS folder and install the pods. Once all our dependencies have been successfully installed, it's now time to run the sample app. For that, we can just do flutter run. You will then get an option to select any device that you want to run the application on. For the sake of this video, we'll run the application on an Android device. And there it is, our application up and running. This right here is called the pre-call screen. Here, you have all different kinds of options, such as selecting an initial microphone and camera state, such as on or off, and selecting an initial audio or video device. You then have the option to either create a meeting or join an existing one. To create a meeting, we can just select the type of meeting that we want and enter our name. And that's it, we've entered the meeting environment. Inside the meeting environment, we have all different kinds of options, such as toggling our microphone and camera, switching between different microphone and camera devices, chatting with other people available in the room, getting all the different details about the participants, recording the room, or starting screen share. If you want to get more insights of this session or to debug it, you can simply go to VideoSDK's dashboard. Under the meetings section, you will find the ongoing session. Inside this, you will get a session overview, any errors that might have occurred during the session, and an overall session stats. You can also find comprehensive details about all the participants available in the room. That's it for this video. I hope you understood all the concepts. Don't forget to start our repository and share with other developers in your network. And if you have any other queries, please reach out to us on our Discord channel. Thank you.